In this video, I'll show you how to use the InDesign script Links Move Unused. This script is a housekeeping tool. Some of my projects are photo books with many images, or similar documents with many placed graphics. These jobs often begin with, or accumulate during design, more images than what ends up in the final product. When the project is done, I like to organize my files. It's possible to package the document and produce a links folder of graphics placed in the document, but what about graphics not used? I don't want to discard them, and they are still blended with the graphics that are used in the links folder. So I made this script to pull out unused graphics and put them in a separate folder, Links Not Used. I already have the script installed in InDesign. For help adding scripts to InDesign, see the link in the description for another video that shows the steps. Let's get started. I have an example job that is a cover and text document for a book. The text has the most placed graphics. Inspecting the links panel, we can see there are 63 links. But the links folder contains 103 files. While designing the job, many images were later replaced with others. This led to some image files becoming orphaned. I want to keep them, but I want them out of the links folder. To run the script, start by opening the Scripts panel. Go to the Window menu, Utilities, Scripts. In the list, select the script Links Move Unused. Double-click to run it, which displays the interface. The first section of the interface is what to process. The choices are Active Document, a book, or a folder of InDesign documents. If the project is a single document, the Active Document option should be fine. But if the project has multiple documents that share the same links folder, you'll want to use book or folder. Otherwise, files could be moved that are used in one document, but not in the document processed. We don't want that. Because my example job is a cover and text document that share a single links folder, I'll use the folder option. Once selected, the path to the folder appears beside the button. In this case, it's not necessary to have either document open. But there's no harm if any of the documents happen to be open while running the script. The second section of the interface is the location of the links folder. This defaults to a folder named Links in the same folder as the document, or in the selected folder. This is typical, but for some reason, you might have the links folder elsewhere. If so, use the folder button to select the location. The third section of the interface is the destination folder. This defaults to a folder named Links Not Used, also in the same folder as the document or in the selected folder. This location can also be changed by clicking the second folder button. Once options are set, click OK. Each document in the folder is opened and its links are compared against the contents of the links folder. For any file that is not linked to any of the documents, the file is moved. Once complete, the script reports how many links were moved. If a problem occurs, a log is written. I've added a problem file to the links folder to demonstrate. The file name contains Unicode characters, which on macOS, the script can't send to AppleScript. I won't go into the reason here. Visit the script's webpage for more details. See the link in the description. In any case, the log file indicates the file was not moved. Another reason a file won't move is that a copy already exists in the destination folder. The script never overwrites existing files. In these cases, check the log and resolve the unused file manually. In the Finder, we can see the folder Links Not Used has been created. In it are the files the script moved. Now the links folder contains only files used. If this solution works for you, like the video and subscribe to this channel. It keeps more videos coming.